So, you know, the thing is sometimes you order stuff and then it comes. And you know what's in some things. Like in this box, for example, I know exactly what's in here. But what's inside this box? Not so much. But shout out to Limited Run Games because I'm curious to finally see what's in here. So. Alright, so let's prolong my excitement and show you guys the stuff you care about first. So that way, when you guys leave the video, inevitably, I won't be upset because you guys saw what you want to see and then you left. You got what you wanted, you left. And now I'm just here by myself. So everyone's like, where's the review, bro? Where's the review, bro? Well, you know what? Guys, they're coming. It takes a while, right? So in here is a Rose 11. And here is some Adidas mask. So, because I've been wanting to get some of these for a while, it's a 3-pack. I'm gonna put one of these on right now. Wash, dry, reuse. That's kind of dope. It's kind of comfy. You know, this would be fine, except there's a giant tag that you can cut, but like it's just literally sitting right there. Oh, there's room to put filters in. That's kind of cool. All right, so let's put this on for the rest of the video because COVID's still very much a thing. Inside this box is a Rose 11, and it is the military edition of the Rose 11s. And you know, the tongue does actually have like a different type of leather on it compared to what's on the other ones, and this is like leather too on the outside here. So that's actually pretty cool and pretty neat. You guys want a review of these right now? Okay, we'll come back in like a week or two and I'll do that because I'm not doing that right now. Sorry. All right, so all the people that don't care about the rest of the stuff in here, you can leave the video, I get it. Inside here, though, is a thing from Limited Run Games. The cool thing is, I just realized when I title this video, I'm gonna title it as the Limited Run unboxing, not the Rose unboxing. So if you're a real one and you stuck to the end, comment, I'm a real one. Oh, this is dope. I'm taking the mask off because I'm excited. Okay, so the Limited Run game, oh, this is both of them. Oh, this is dope. Cool. So I put off buying both these games for a long time online because I could have bought them online, but I didn't want to because I want to have like physical editions of it. And so I now do. And so, oh shit, there's so much cool stuff in here. I'm about to lose something. Okay, so let's put this down like this and just show you guys the first thing. So there's this little company called LucasArts that went out of business a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but went out of business because when Disney bought Star Wars and Lucasfilm, they were like, we don't need just a games department. We're going to change into something else, which coincidentally actually kind of makes games now. So that's kind of funny, but it's not LucasArts anymore. But there's these old games that came out on like the Xbox and PC, some on PlayStation, called Star Wars Jedi Knight. And so this is Star Wars Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast. And it's Limited Run Games, like special edition packaging that has the remaster of this game for PlayStation 4. They weren't releasing a physical copy of this game, but they released them digitally. And so Limited Run Games does things where there's certain games that get remastered or re-released digitally. And so what they do so fans can have a physical copy is they make these Limited Run games of the game. So here's Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast. This is super dope. I have this game on my PC back in like 2003. It was my first, or it was my second computer actually. It was this Sony Vaio. It was not an all-in-one though, because I didn't do those yet at the time, but it was pretty cool and I liked it a lot. But I never beat the game because I just wasn't very good at playing PC games with a regular controller. So I knew about the story because I read about it and stuff, and of course I got all these Star Wars books over here, so there's stuff like that. But outside of that, you know, that's all there is to it. Now, they also come with these trading card things, the Limited Run here says, so there's that. You got a Limited Run here on the back. And same here with this for Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast, because that one's for Jedi Academy. And let that kind of focus for you guys for a bit. That's pretty cool. Comes with this cardboard box for them that has both Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast and Jedi Knight Jedi Academy, which again, I never played Jedi Academy at all. So this is cool too. And then here is Jedi Knight Jedi Academy, also dope. I didn't show the back of Jedi Knight 2. So here's the back of that, so you guys can kind of see. It's super shiny because of the fact I have all this wrapping on it still. So I'm actually going to fully unbox this right now so you guys can see this. Wow, I've been looking for this for, I can't even remember when I placed the order for these, to be honest. And I swore I placed an order for the pod racing one too, but I never got that. So I'm kind of need to find out what's up with that, because I'm pretty sure I got charged. So you take this off. It's just a nice like little chipboard box. In here it says Certificate of Authenticity, Jedi Knight 2, Jedi Outcast Limited Collector's Edition, 811 out of 1,500. So, you know, limited run games. Oh, this is cool. So here's Jedi Knight 2, Jedi Outcast for the PlayStation 4. That's really cool. And then you have in here, I think this is mainly just, what all is this? This is it's a pin for like the logo. You have one that says Jedi Outcast as a coin, and then this is a like another. It's just a magnet. I think it's a magnet for Lucasfilm Limited on there, so that's pretty cool. And then below this is a poster of the game cover. Here's a steel book for the game, which is pretty dope as well. Let's kind of take this out of here to show you guys that real fast. You know, I wasn't expecting this video to be this long, but it's going to be much longer than you guys originally were anticipating it to be long myself. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a retrospective essay in here. Wow, I feel like I'm in college again. Oh, wow. Ooh, college. Woo, college. Shout out to Reed. Reed, I know you don't watch my videos, but I may send this one to you just in case you do watch my videos. And be like, hey. But then again, if I'm sending it to you, do you really watch my videos? No. Anyway. Let's see, what is this? These are little like cards for the game. So there's the logo. I dropped the box. I feel bad. There's a nerd piece. Concept art. Yes. Pod ship comparison. X-wing TIE fighter. It's pretty cool. And then nerd piece concept art, which this is. Is that the? I can't remember if that's not one of the beasts that used in Legends that could stop the Force. Another piece of concept art, which is of, I think, one of the bases. And then, yeah, we're back to the start. And then in here as well, like I said, is a retrospective essay. I wonder how long it is. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3 and like a quarter pages long. So it's pretty cool. I'll go through and read this at some point, but that's pretty dope as well. And I'll put all this stuff back in here now, then I'll quickly go and do the other one for you guys. I don't even know how this is all packed in here now that I'm pulling this back out. Oh, it was in here like this, maybe? Yes, it was, because this was here like that. Oh no, this was here like this. Here, we'll figure that out later. Let's set this off to the side. Let's look at this Jedi Academy One next. So, I'll be excited to play these games because they should be a lot of fun to play. I'm always looking for some more Star Wars games to play, and you know, these actually probably be pretty cool to do on live streams with you guys. You gotta give it a sniff. You gotta know if it's you know, real or not. You know. So this is number 719 out of 1,500, and pretty much all the same things come in here. You have the Jedi Academy game. You have another one of those Lucasfilm things. Another Jedi Academy coin. I'll pull this out so you guys can kind of see those real quick. So there's that. You have a poster, which is cool. You have the steel book for it, and then real quick, I'll do this so we can kind of see these real fast. Besides the essay, you have these cards, and for this one, let's see what all you got. You got the logo. That's showing the different like vantage points for, I forget what type of ship that is, but for one of the ships. Concept art for different lightsaber hilts. It's pretty cool. Oh, here you are finding a Rancor. LucasArts is going to make these older Star Wars games, man. This looks like the power terminal to a shield generator, maybe. I'm not exactly positive about that. This, some base, I think. I'm at a disadvantage not playing these games and not knowing. And that's all the stuff. So yeah, there you go. There's a 10-minute unboxing video. The algorithm hopefully will like this on YouTube, right? No, this will get like 100 views then die, right? All right, cool. We're on the same page, But yeah, no, actually, I mean, I don't care about the views. I'm just happy to have this because it's super cool and it's something that I've wanted really badly. And it's nice that it finally came in the mail, so I finally have my thing. So that's dope. And yeah, I look forward to playing these games. I don't know exactly when or what order I will play these in. All I do know is that I will play them sometime soon, and you guys will probably see them on a live stream. But again, it'll be one of those really older looking games. I'll be like, why is he playing this? And be like, because it's fun and I'm happy to have it. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I kid about the Rose stuff. There'll be a review of those sometime soon. You got the Family First. I actually never did unboxing for these, but I have a pair of Brenda's. And then I have the Fast and Light colorway. So those will be reviews coming soon. The 773 2020 review, I need to go hoop, but I'm not going to go hoop at least until Friday. So there's that. And by the time y'all see this, it won't matter. By the time you see this, it'll probably be Christmas. Let's just keep it a stack. It'll probably be Christmas by the time you see this. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, guys, peace. I'll see you around later, and have a great rest of your night. Bye.